Hi, I'm Simon. Today we're going to show you how to test and replace the rotor on your LG washer. If you are experiencing issues like unusual noise during the spin cycle, the drum not moving properly, or your washer stopping mid-cycle, it might be time to take a closer look at the part. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful appliance repair guides. Let's get started. And remember, you can do this. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you to do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Let's start by gathering everything we need for today's repair job. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a pair of adjustable pliers, a towel, a 17mm socket wrench with an extension, a 10mm socket wrench, and a mallet. The rotor is a part of the washer electromagnetic motor. It mounts over the stator onto the inner top shaft. The rotor has 12 permanent magnets spaced on the inside surface. First, unplug the washer, turn the water off, place a towel under the water inlet hoses, and using pliers, loosen up and then remove them, one at a time. Remove 4 Phillips screws, slide the panel up and out. Using the 17mm socket wrench and the mallet, loosen up and remove the bolt in the center of the rotor. Shaking the rotor side to side, pull it off. Be careful not to pinch your skin. Best if you wear gloves. The rotor is tested visually after it's pulled off the shaft. Look for damaged or broken parts of the magnets. If you find any, replace the rotor. This is the old rotor next to the new one. If you don't have it, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Carefully install the rotor onto the splines and rocking it side to side, push it onto the shaft. Tighten the 17mm bolt manually and then use the socket wrench and the mallet to tighten it. Place the rear access panel top first, slide it down and secure the 4 Phillips screws. Install both inlet hoses. Tighten the first few threads manually and then use pliers to finish. Plug in the washer and turn the water on. Great job getting your LG washer back in shape by testing and replacing the rotor. We hope the fix went smoothly for you. Feel free to share your experience in the comments below. We would love to hear how it worked out. If you still need to order a new rotor or any other parts, just head over to AppliancePartsPros.com with your model number, and most orders arrive within a couple of days, making it quick and easy to get your appliance back up and running. Thanks for choosing us for your repair needs, and we'll look forward to helping you with your next project.